Right, we have a 98 Polaris Xplorer 400 here for the next parts machine. It's in very good condition for its age. Racks both look good. Plastic looks good. A couple minor scratches on the front fender cover. Seats in very good condition, minus a little bit on the front edge. A little bit of scuffing from throwing your foot over, but it's minor. Tires are half. This ATV has the water pump seal issue, so the motor is currently not running, so we'll see what's wrong with that once we get into it. Odometer shows 1973. Brakes work. You can see there's no coolant in it. Transmission shifts. Motor still has some compression for sure. Let me know if you need anything.